Hi everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and today we are going to create this adorable little pumpkin sitter. We also have a matching wreath kit that will be coming up later today. So let's get started with this. This is really easy to do. Everything that you need will be in your kit except for your glue. So you've got your pumpkin, your berries, your leaves, our ribbons, and our pretty little sunflower pick. So to start out, I'm going to start out with these leaf picks, and we are just going to dip our leaf into, let me turn my pot up just a little bit more, dip it in the glue, and we're just going to stick it right here on this wooden disc. This wooden disc works great for your bases. And then I'm going to take some more little leaves and just kind of fill in this foundation down here. I'm going to put that right there. Now, if you have the air, you can spray the air on there, and that does help things to set up much faster. I'm going to grab this air, just kind of blow that. This is the best stuff. It's actually electronic duster for your computers, and it works great to help your glue set up fast. We're going to take our little pumpkin, and I'm going to put a little glue on my pumpkin here. And let me get that. Well, look at all that glue sticking to that pumpkin. My glue's not really hot enough. Okay, so we're going to dip our pumpkin, and then we're just going to glue him right on top of those leaves. And then I'm going to go back and trim up a little bit of these leaves. And we're going to add some in around the bottom. Take the stem, put that in there. And I'm going to poke that one out this side over here. And take one of these bigger ones. I'm just going to put that right up under there. And then we can just add another one right to the back. We'll just tuck this one in right back here. Next, we're going to take our beautiful sunflower stem. So you're going to have a cute little bud and then 2 flowers on there. Now I'm going to trim this off just a little bit more. And we're going to dip our stem into our glue. And I'm going to go in right over here, back behind my tall leaf stem, and slide that stem right in there underneath that pumpkin. So the nice thing about these sunflower stems is they are wired. So you're going to be able to go back and kind of bend them and manipulate them and bring them up around the pumpkin. I'm going to pull this little bud closer to over here. And then last but not least, we have our berry stem. I'm going to trim a little bit of this off. Now this is a styrofoam pumpkin, so with the berries, I actually just put some glue on that. And then I went down on this side and just poked it right into the side of my pumpkin, like so. And then spread my berries around. And then last but not least, we're going to take our ribbons. We have this beautiful little plaid. And we're going to leave a little tail up, pinch and gather, twist, make our loop, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. We're going to take this orange as an accent and just lay that right on top. So we have our bow right there. And then take a piece of wire, wrap that around to hold our bow secure. And then we're just going to go right in here where we've attached our berries. And we're just going to wire our bow right onto that stem. Pull that wire nice and tight to hold that securely. Trim off my excess wire. And then we're going to go in and trim our tails. And how cute is this? Just to set on an entryway table, a bookcase, anywhere that you want, just a little accent of fall. So quick and easy. This kit is available at shopdeeslouisville.com, and stay tuned for its partner, the wreath that you can hang on your door.